Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. This is a concise, well-crafted summary and it highlights only the important keywords. Modifications of the MRM. MRM is nothing but, it stands for the Modified Radical Mastectomy. So to begin with, there is known as the Archin loss. So Archin loss. So this stands for, this is same as the modified radical mastectomy. Then comes the Pétai's modification. The Pétai modification. So Pétai modification is the en bloc removal of the nipple areola skin. En bloc, you remove the nipple as well as areola skin. Then you remove the breast tissue, the breast mass as well as the level 1 and 2. So level 1 and 2 and 3. So all these lymph nodes are removed, and then the excision of the pectoralis major. So there is a pectoralis major, pectoralis minor which is removed. Next is you have the Scanlon's modification. So here in Scanlon's modification, there is an en bloc removal again of the nipple areola skin, NAS, and the breast tissue as well as the breast mass, the level 1 and 2 and 3 of the lymph nodes. Next is the division of the pectoralis minor. In Pétai's, it was the excision, and in Scanlon's, Pétai has an E in it, so the E stands for the excision, and Scanlon's, so there is a division. There is a division of the pectoralis minor. So division of the pectoralis minor. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.